Hello friends, welcome to tutorial Ace. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create brochure design in Canva. Guys, if you want to create brochure, then you will have to find any web designer, graphic designer. They can design, and definitely it is a bit costly. So without any graphic design knowledge, you can create any brochure yourself, because a lot of template has been given. Just you need to know that how to customize that. So I will show you that how you can do that. What I'll do, in this search box I'll write here and yeah, you'll have to select the industry, that from which industry you want to create this. For example, in my case I will select here online or tutorial software tutorial brochure. Okay, after this you will see that lot of brochure design is already there. So you can select as per your color theme and your company's logo, etc. So in my case I will select, these are wider one, so of course this is not suitable because it should be vertical. Okay, so this one I can select. So normally what happens in brochure, there are three parts. The first part is company intro, and second part is course outline, and in third part there is address, etc. So this part will be the second page, and let's find another one for first page. Now I will also check this color combination, because this is dark blue and light blue, so similar color I will have to find, or else it will not match to our theme. So we can do anything. Yeah, this one looks similar, and when you click this, then you can see other one also. So let's select either this one or whatever you want. So in my case I will select okay, this one only. So this will be the page number 2, and for another one, this will be the page number 1, and that will be the page number last. Okay, so we have selected 3 parts here, 1, 2 and 3. The two are similar, but another one is a bit different. So okay, and one more thing, there will be one course outline, right? The bulleted points for course outline. So let's find that kind of also, which will be in the mid of the page. Okay, I found this one for course outline. So this will be the middle of the page. Okay, so now we have, this will be the first page, and this will be course outline, and this is not good, so let's delete this. So basically we have one page, that means the home page. This will be the address page, the last page, and this one will be center page. So now let's merge these together. How? This is our first page. Now click on add page. After this, just Control A and Control C, and then Control V. So the whole page has been copied and pasted here. Similarly, in the last page, what I'll do, I'll go here, and then okay, so this is the first page, second page, and last page. That means this is the last page. So just copy this as well and paste here. So 3 page we have ready. First, and this will be repeated again and again. So basically we have 3 pages here. Okay, now let's name it as course brochure. Right, now the first thing that you need to do, you have to change the logo, this one, right, of course, to your company. So what I'll do, I have my logo, so I will download it. So I'll see that which one will be suitable. I think this logo will be suitable, so I'll just download and upload it. Okay, rest of the things let's delete. These are not required because all we have merged together. So I'll just delete this one as well. Now go to uploads, and then from here we will upload this logo. Okay, so this is my logo. What I'll do, I'll delete this one and I'll put my logo. So this one doesn't look better because it's matching in blue, but okay, let's keep for the timing. Now the next task will be to replace this one. I'll write here, and yes, we need to replace this photo as well. So what I'll do, I'll select this one and I can select any one of these. For example, let's take this one, and you can see automatically this image got fitted there, right? You can stretch and make like this as well. Right, so now it's done. Whatever text you want to write, you can write here. The next task will be to change if you want to add more, then just I will select this one and I'll push here, and this of course learn more is not required, but okay, let's press alt key and copy, or just copy paste, that will also work. Or you can see here duplicate button, you can duplicate from here as well. And of course I will change here. Okay, so guys, you can see our first page is done now. Now we will be working on second page, but there is one problem. The problem is that, if you see this color scheme, this one, right, and here the color is a bit different, yellow. So what I'll do, just go to here and this color, right, select here, we will copy this color code, and then we will go back, click here, go to here, and then color code and paste this color. So you can see exactly the same color code has been copied here. So now it looks much similar. Same way, I just go here, and then now you can see the color scheme is looking similar. This one also I will do. You can see it doesn't take much time, as well as it's very easy. If you want to change it, then this color also can be changed from here. Now you can see it's better. We will of course modify this page as well, and here also if you see, actually this is not, yeah, this one also. And logo we will change this one also. So we have already logo, just Control C, copy it, and then let's remove it and paste here. The logo has come. I have another version of my logo, so let's try with white background. Yeah, this is better. Okay, I will change the slogan and whatever you want, you can change from here. Now regarding the outline, this one, actually we need more of course content rather than these images. So this is enough. This one also is not required, so just remove this and this address also, because our focus is normally to the course outline. Okay, so for that just I will copy this here logo. Let's remove this, or we will keep this actually. So we can keep the logo right side. Oh, it's going inside actually, so let's keep it here. Or logo is not required in this course outline, so we can give it as Flutter course syllabus. You can change the font from here also. There are a lot of fonts. You can try different fonts. I think this one is better. You can change styling from here also. Size. We can delete this one if you don't need. And now from here you can write something like, if you want to select all, then or one by one also it can be taken. Now you, I think, understand what I mean. You can increase its font also. So just doing copy paste, you can do other things also. Let's delete this one. If one page is finished, then it can be done like this also. Then you can just duplicate this page. So automatically the page has been duplicated, so you can add the content as much as you like. Once everything is finished, in the footer also similarly you can change this image, like you can see automatically it got adjusted, and here address etc. you can change. Now once everything is done, what you can do, go to share and then download. When you download, you can see there is an option of PDF standard. Just click on this and then it is showing that how many pages it has. So total we have 4 pages. We click on download. And that's it. Your course brochure is ready. You can see it didn't take much time to do these all things. Guys, this way you can create your course brochure without having much graphic knowledge.